All right, back to the weather. Welcome back, everyone. Temperatures tonight will cool down to just the low 60s in Savannah. We have a very weak cold front to our north, so a few clouds could be possible out the door tomorrow, but sunshine should take over by late morning into the afternoon hours. So here's the weak cold front. Showers are to our north and east, high pressure well to our east, and that high pressure will be deflecting us from any sort of showers and even cooler weather as we stretch across the next week, even 2 weeks potentially, where I'm not really seeing any big signals for rain in our near future. So a very low chance for development here from this tropical disturbance that the National Hurricane Center has pointed out today, 10% over the next 2 days and even over the next week. Now, we are 38 days away from the start of the hurricane season here in the Atlantic, but we are forecasting well above average activity. So again, I know it's still a few weeks before the season starts on June 1st, but make sure you're getting your updates here on Fox 28. Click on our Hurricane Center on our website for all those updates. Tonight's low temperatures, low 60s on the immediate coastline, mid 50s farther inland. We'll have some clouds here and there, mostly upper level. Sunshine dominating by the afternoon hours for your Thursday. So 61, dropping off the kids to school, maybe a light jacket, but then warming back up into the low 80s by the afternoon hours. The winds will shift from the west to the south, so that will really fuel mid-80 temperatures to be returning west of Interstate 95 here. Coastline sea breeze could keep us in just the upper 60s, low 70s, but again, this high pressure, it's going to be here for a while. Notice here, the reds represent warmer temperature. This high pressure will deflect any sort of shower activity, and storms will proceed to our north across the next week. So there's really not a lot of opportunities for showers for us. Maybe an isolated sprinkle or daytime heating thunderstorm could be in the cards, but overall very isolated and very low. Looking at the future radar, you can see what I'm talking about, where a few tiny little green dots could pop up here and there. This is at 11 a.m. tomorrow. Temps warming up along the sea breeze here. A possible light shower, but again, 99.9% of us, we will be dry throughout the next few days. Tonight's low temperatures in the hostess city, 60 degrees, mostly clear skies and seasonable. Winds will be out of the south tomorrow as well. Temperatures returning to the mid-80s, a bit cooler on the islands in the immediate coastline. Let's have a look at the 7-day forecast together. Another cold front could move through from our north on Friday, not bringing any sort of rain, maybe some cooler temperatures in the upper 70s, low 80s, but besides that, we're on the warming trend. Notice low 80s Thursday, Friday, Saturday into the weekend. Then as we head off into next week, mid-80s return. I know we had 3 consecutive days of 90-degree weather last week. Could that be possible again late next week? It could be, depending on how the high pressure sticks around and seeing how much chances we get in terms of precipitation or not. But overall, warm pattern, dry, temps in the 80s.